What if I told you your next mic filters out your voice in a real time, clips on magnetically, and lasts all day? Sounds overhyped and promising. Well, this tiny gadget you see over here, it might just change how you record audio forever. This is Maono Wave T5. Let's unbox it and put it to the test together. Opening the box, we got the essentials. It comes with a cover for a pocket use to not catch any scratches. There is a built-in bag for it that carries all the essentials you need. Inside, we have the mic transmitter and 3 receivers. The receivers are included as Lightning, USB-C and a camera receiver. But with the combo version, it will cover you for old iPhones, Android and also your camera. There is also a charging case, 2 windshields, and this cool magnetic clip system that I will show you in the action. First impressions, everything feels lightweight, but it built well. The charging case isn't just for topping up your battery. It holds up everything neatly and it gives you up to 30 hours of usage. That is wild for a mic in this size. So let's talk about the Maono's future. It is a magnetic design, and to be honest, I love a magnetic mics. Why? It's simple to use. Just snap it on your shirt and it's easy to use, no falling. You can snap it on your hoodie, jacket or even your bag strap if you're having a bag on. Because if you are a vlogger, an athlete, because of the very strong magnet that it has, it's not going to drop. This thing has up to 30 hours of battery life within the case and built for the long days. Whether you want to use it for interview, vlogging or just on the go, you don't need to stress about over the charge. And here is where this T5 gets clever. Maono added the built-in filters. What's that mean is you can switch between bright, warm and a vocal enhancing mode depending on the style or the settings you like. And to be honest, for the control, it is super intuitive. Tap the mute button once to mute, whether you are in a call or you just don't want your voice go through the video. Second, there is a catch here. If you tap and hold the mute button, it will start recording. It works directly with your phone's camera app or any third-party app you're using in your phone.
Alright, let's do a quick field test. As you can see now, I'm walking around and check out the mic stability. It doesn't move around. There is some kind of noise behind me, so see how the voice clarity is as well. Also, the warm filter is on as well.
And as you can see, we are inside in a controlled environment, warm filter on, and what it actually does, it will smooth out my tone for voiceovers or a podcast style content.
Again, I'm recording using a Maono Wave T5 with some differences this time. First, I have a dead cat on because of how the wind is coming. Second, the noise cancellation. I wanted to see that how does it do around me when there is a bird singing and there is a urban traffic around me on my side roads, that you can see how it really does on the real life scenarios. But one thing I would like to mention, the noise cancellation is on mid. Not very low or very high intensity, just in a mid that it can do some tweaks in a post-production as well. The filter is on warm section. Why? Because I wanted to filter out my voice to see the tone and the typical voice I like to use for my videos.
Here is the thing. This wasn't a sponsorship video. They just sent me out the product that I review it and give my honest thought to it. Until now, there is something about this mic that I like, and I will tell you bits by bits. First, the Maono T5 isn't trying to be flashy mic. It's a smart, reliable, and ridiculously easy to use. From magnetic wear, the voice filter that is on now, and the all-day battery life. It's got the right features where it matters the most for the creators. This is one of those tools that will quietly level up your setup. So if you want to pick one up for yourself, make sure to check out the link in my description. If this video helped you to choose the correct mic, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe to keeping your tech in check, and I will see you in the next one. I know you haven't subscribed yet. Subscribe now, because why not?